because I use Amazon Associates for most of my affiliates. Like I have some proprietary ones for like my web posting and stuff. Like I only recommend the services I actually use and the products I use. So I would never use, like, it's not a sponsor, it's different to a sponsorship, but I would never use or promote something that I don't like myself. So I have Amazon Associates, and all of my equipment that I use in my setup, I have an Amazon Associates link. And then the idea is if someone clicks on it and then purchases through that link, then I get a percentage of the revenue. And Amazon Associates has a rule that you can only actually stay in the program if you make free sales within 3 months, which is like, it should be easy. But I was really bad at sharing it when I was like first applying. So just as I started getting clicks my first time around, no one had actually purchased it, but they were clicking, not converting. So the first time I did it, I only started getting activity right before they canceled my account. And then I'm in a new account. And then just before they canceled that, because I lost track of the time, was when I put it in my YouTube description originally, like my default description. And I was getting so many clicks when I had it in my YouTube description, but then it closed it like the next day. So I am going to try it one more time. And if you guys want a setup like mine, then you know where to go to get stuff. I have a few videos that like heavily rely on affiliate links as well. Like my desk setup video with like all my pretty like wrist rests and stuff, like all this stuff. I put a lot of work into posting that. And then I had affiliate links in all the associated shorts, and then also a blog post on my website of the video like put into written format. So I'm going to have to go sometime and reset all of those. Because they still get really good traffic. And then literally a few videos ago, it was when I had my my making Christmas ideas for gifts for creatives and stuff. And I had affiliate links in that for all the gifts that I recommended. And it's just not ended up working out. So I'm going to have to reset them all and hope that in 3 months I can actually make free sales. And at this point, I've had friends who have literally said to me, oh, I really want to start like making video essays and I want to start vlogging. And my friends have reached out to me and said that. So I tell them, decide what you want, and then I would just literally make you an affiliate link for it, just so I can get to the threshold and stop having to worry about resetting it again in the future, which I'm sure is like totally not the point. It's not the point at all, but I would like to just allow it to grow organically as opposed to waiting until I have like 100,000 subscribers or whatever and then doing it all at once. I would like the gradual build up. Like I have a gradual build up of Google AdSense on my ad revenue on my website. I think I have like 62p in there or something right now. You need 60 quid to cash out. So that's not going to be happening anytime soon, but it's slowly building up over time and it's compounding, and I would really like that to happen. What I'm going to do is first I'm going to try and log in to my Amazon Associates account. Yeah, okay. So if I share my screen with you, I'm on Safari for this one. So this is what it is. This is Amazon Associates. They're not connected to an Amazon Associates account because mine was cancelled. So all the clicks and all the activity I built up is completely gone. I won't be able to reclaim it or reassociate it. If I'd made like 1 sale or 2 sales each time I'd attempted to do this, then I wouldn't get the commission from that if I hadn't made enough to cash it out. So you have to get 3 sales in the 3 months. I'm going to do this one more time, and then if it doesn't work, I'm going to give up in like the interim. So no, I am not a US tax person. That's the address. I am the payee. No, I'm not US tax. So now this is the websites that they would expect to be posting your affiliate links. So because you're only allowed 1 Amazon Associates account to my knowledge, so I'm going to load this up with first my social media for Dib Dab Digital, and then also for Deborah's Dough, which is a different brand I have. So if I go onto my website, because I'm going to have affiliate links in my blog post, so first we start with that. And then we go into my social media, and in the footer I have links here. So we're going to copy link, I'm going to do one at a time. We're going to work our way through. Everyone keeps talking about how the TikTok ban is going to happen soon, and TikTok has never been my favorite social media platform anyway. Pretty much all the engagement I get on there is people being ragey because people like find reasons to be like idiots sometimes, and just they don't understand that they're looking at something without the context of a full-length video. Like I use it in associated videos, like, you know, related videos on YouTube, but on TikTok You have to like expressly have in the first 2 letters of the caption that it links to a greater video, or else they'll just assume that you're saying something out of context. And I literally pick the clips that are kind of bassy. Because, you know, it's the engagement. It's like, this is the most engaging section. Obviously, I would like people to go and watch the full thing, so I chose, like, it's like a trailer. And trailers are purposely misleading sometimes. And most trailers in, like, film and stuff are actually produced by third-party agencies who specialize in editing trailers. Like, they hand over the full film and they just build a trailer out of that, which is why a lot of people say, oh, they put all the best bits of the film in the trailer. Well, that wasn't necessarily the director's choice. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to use Discord because I have a bot that allows you to monetize it in various ways. I'm going to use Discord to create, like, a very simplistic e-commerce shop. Oh, whoops. A very simplistic e-commerce shop for my martial arts stuff, because I don't want to create a whole website just for a casual personal brand, and this would be a nice alternative when I make martial arts themed products, like a few of my keychains that I have. Facebook/DeborahsDough, Instagram. And TikTok. I just like focus on all the video formatted places really, because I'm a videographer before anything else. I'm not one for writing big long form copy unless I need to. Then you click on next. Now my preferred associate's ID was DibDabDigital, but it's obviously gone now, so let me see. DibDabDigital. I don't know. Exclamation mark, question mark. I don't know if they've not. No, only allowed alphabet and numbers. DibDabDigital. My birth year, I guess. Okay. Tell us about the content you create. Educational content on the subject of digital marketing and media production with a casual approach. I also have a martial arts brand. I show fitness on, which I've not actually had a chance to do that yet. I keep saying, oh, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. It really sounds like a lie, but if the outside world would leave me alone for 5 minutes, then I actually would have done so many more of the things than I want, but I will eventually work through everything because I continue to do that. Every time I say I'm going to do something, I always do it. It's just a question of how soon. Content or niche website. How did you hear about us? From, and was it an online search? It was from a YouTuber. None of these count. And I always fail the captures, but let's try it. Yes, I agree. Okay, so it's made me... I love how I asked what I want my ID to be, and then it's like, nah, you got something else anyway. Okay, thank you for applying. Once you generate free qualified sales, blah, 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 blah. Enter your payment tax information later, because it doesn't really matter until you want to cash out. Then you see this site stripe here, then you click get link, and this is how you create your affiliate links. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on to my other window. Okay, so we are on YouTube and we go to my settings so we can get upload defaults. Now this will only apply for future videos, so I kind of just accept that if I really want to change it in past videos, then I'll have to go through and do that manually. I wish it would override, but then it would get rid of all your unique video descriptions too. So that's all my social media links. Those are all still good. All of these are appropriate. Okay, so affiliate links. I get commission if you use these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link and then go to my other window. That's the old affiliate link I have. Now if I get this link, then this is the short version. Copy it. I don't know if I actually copied it. Copy it. And come back to this tab here. And then I'm going to remove my old link and paste the new one. And I'm going to repeat this while not continuously flipping through all the windows again. Get new link. Oh yeah, and you can get this one in all the different colors. I'm kind of good that I was like ahead of the curve to the degree that like when I got all my stuff, it was all like new and it only came in black or silver, or if you were lucky, you would get some technology in white, and it was really interesting. But now you can get it all the different colors, and it's a lot cheaper to do so. But I already bought all my stuff. So I'm hoping to be able to upgrade to a more aesthetic, technical setup over time. And although I don't expect this video to get a lot of traffic anytime soon, I am going to go into my more recent video because it was only 3 links. And actually, let's see the analytics. So I posted this after Christmas, right? Because it's what I got for Christmas. I posted it after Christmas. So it was like nothing. And then after 12, 14 hours, it's okay. At like the 15, 16 hour mark is when it really kicked off. Suddenly it exploded. And I got like 6.4k impressions. When like I average maybe 1,000 impressions for like a normal video in its first wave. And then it'll normally pick back up again later and it keeps increasing, and then it's like a steady, subtle like climb. But because this is related to Christmas and we literally just had Christmas, it was like boom and then nothing. Okay, so my details. So the controller, which is the controller I'm going to be using in a minute. Get a new link, and it's on sale, guys. So you could get it on sale, and you could also get it with a link that will help me make money. Wouldn't that be great? I'm pretty sure YouTube has like exact rules against encouraging people to use like your affiliate links and stuff, but I'm not telling you to get something that I wouldn't get myself. So I feel like it's realistic. It's not a bad practice. And you're also completely free individuals to not do that, as other brands are available and other affiliates are available. Given the honey controversy about the fact that even when you click no, there are no discount codes, thanks for letting me know, I'm going to close the window now. Even then they claim it. That's like bad. Like really, really bad. And I think save and we're all good. Angry Penguin. Oh, you saw the Amazon shit? Yeah, okay, great. No, honestly, people were like freaking out about the honey scandal because it's like, not only does it steal money from the the influencers that promoted the what the fuck is it called? The add-on, like the browser add-on. Not only is it stealing from the people who actually got them customers, it's also stealing from the businesses kinda, because it prevents them like making potential sales by saying, oh no, these codes don't exist, we don't have these codes. Like maybe someone wouldn't have bought it if it wasn't for the codes. It's just fully immoral all the way around, and the fact Markiplier called it was brilliant. Check out my website, dibdabdigital.com, and you can see some of my products on the shop if you want to support me. And yes, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.